Okay, guys, so this slide has been in our module earlier this week. So if you have done this already, um, lucky you, you can, well, I'll let you, I was going to tell you, you could do something within Brain Pop where you can like make your own video or something where it's explaining what you've learned. Um, or you can just watch the video again if you want. But so anyhow, we just didn't get to it when we were in the regular classroom. So we were just things were kind of taking us a little extra longer than I thought. So some of you at home may have done this already. But for STEM, for us, we are going to talk about the different types of energy. And an easy way to remember the different types of energy is it spells this word melts. Okay, so we have M for mechanical, E for electrical, L for light, T for thermal, and S for sound. I know in third grade, sound was talked about a little bit with the vibrations and maybe talked a little bit about light. I'm not sure though if you guys did or not. We're going to talk about a little bit about each one of these. So to start, we're going to watch a brain pop video that introduces us to all of these things. And then in your STEM notebook, you're going to just copy down this little anchor chart on your next clean sheet of paper. So you're going to title it Types of Energy. You're going to write down what energy is the ability to do work. Okay, gives a little definition. Make a little chart here like they did and divide it up for MELTS. And we're going to have what it is. So like this one for mechanical, what mechanical energy is, and then you're going to give some examples. Okay, so yeah, I know you are just copying it down. Instead of me handing this paper to you to glue in, the difference is you're just going to recreate it in your STEM notebook. Okay, and that's it. Now, some people like to do quizzes on Moby. My preference for you guys, the priority is to get this anchor chart done. If you do get finished and you have some extra time and you want to come back in and do a quiz, that's totally fine with me too. Okay, have fun.